The implant seminar is very interesting with lots of information that I have learned, and I will definitely use this knowledge to my practice, especially the restorative side.
Actually taking this course in the beginning of the year, and I'm repeating this course. It just gave me a lot of confidence, and since then I have done so-called all-on-4 cases, and without this course I would not have been able to do that. So this course is highly recommended. If you have a chance, just come down here and take this course.
I joined this class because I know and I believe that Dr. Kim is very knowledgeable and skillful. The class is very informative and gaining confidence in your practice.
My experience with the course has been absolutely wonderful. As far as applying what I've learned, I think it's immediate. You can learn something one week and be doing it in your practice the very next day.